Okay, so we got this thing up at Grandpa's place. He graciously let me use his shop. So we got the bed off of it, starting to take some trim pieces off, starting to take the hood off. This thing just barely fits in here, but we'll make it work. It's a dry place to work, at least. So let's get started. Okay, so we're 5 days into painting here. I haven't done much video because I'm doing this in my grandpa's shop. It's pretty small and the lighting is horrible in here, so video quality is not that great. But let's see what we've got done so far. Got 2 coats of primer on the hood. Gotta block it out, and then I'm gonna do the base coat. Now, our first coat of primer on the cab. I'm starting to do a little bit of Bondo work, do the body work there, and then we'll do one more coat of primer after that. 1 coat on the doors. This was the only place that I was able to find that was dry that I could paint this thing in the next couple months, which unfortunately it's super dusty in here. This is my grandpa's shop and he's very much a fabricator, not a body or paint guy. So there's things hanging on the wall here that have been here for 20 years and have 20 years worth of dust on them. I did my best to blow everything off, but it's still not the best. So I think what we're gonna do is I'm gonna do the black base coat on this thing, and then the clear coat with the pearl, we're gonna haul it up to another friend's shop in the next couple days, and I'll be able to do my pearl clear coat there. But that's where we're at so far. Okay, so we got the base coat on her, black, and we found another shop that we can do the clear coat in. So we're gonna haul it up to a buddy's because this place is kind of dusty. I don't know why, but for some reason it wasn't starting without the Spark box. I mean, what vehicle needs the computer to run?
can't hit the fender. Oh, yeah.